I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the sash and replace the balances. The first step to remove the sash are to remove your sash stops. You have one in the top right and one in the top left. The next step is to use a flathead screwdriver and pop out the takeout clip. You have two, one on the top right and one on the top left. The next step is to raise the sash all the way to the top where the top of the balances catch the takeout clips. It's going to free my sash up where I can slide the sash over to one side and pivot the sash out of the frame. The sash has been removed. In order to remove the balance rod, I'm going to push down and lift up. In order to replace your block and tackle, the bottom of your balance rod is going to have this hook. The hook is going to fit inside the square cutout of your frame jamb. If you have troubles getting the hook into the cutout, use a pair of needle nose pliers. Once it's in, you can push the rod down and then set the top of the block and tackle underneath the takeout clip. It's now time to set the sash back into the frame. The top of your sash needs to be higher than the top of the block and tackle balance. We'll start on the one side. It'll fit into the jamb and then swing into the other side of the window. Once the sash is in, you can start to push down and it will center itself and it should stay in position. Remember to always push in the takeout clips. There's one on each side, and now you can push in the sash stop. If the sill of the window is holding water, check the weep holes and make sure they are not obstructed. To recap, I've now showed you how to remove the sash and replace the balances. I'm Patrick Jamison, and thanks for watching.